guys, it's another lockpicking video for you. I have here a Sterling lock, which I won in a competition from UCOF, from UK Lock Sports. That's the key, mummified, so I can't really show you bitting for you. Let's give it a go at picking it for you. It's a bit difficult to hold in my hand. Should really put it in the vice to really steady it. I've been getting my knickers in a twist really to try and hold this, so let's give it a go for you. I'm going to be using the Southall hook. It's not a short hook. I think it's from the Pagoda set. Let's give it a go. Back of lock. Just dragging it out. Slot pin 1. Pin 3. Pin 2. 4. 2 again. I do feel there are security pins in this because I've got a slight false set on it. Pin 5. Pin 6. Feels like I've overset something. Okay, and reset it. Start again. 6. 4. 1. 3. Pin 6. 2. 3. And there you go. Cheers guys.